Want to change display name on Spotify? Then keep watching this video. To get started, open up your Spotify application. From the home screen of Spotify, you need to head over to the settings, which you can see on the top right of the screen. Now this is the settings tab of Spotify, from where you can manage all the available settings for your Spotify account. To change the display name, tap on your name, which is displaying here, and tap on edit. This is the name that is displayed to other people and how you will be visible on Spotify. To change it, you can simply tap on your name and then remove it. You can make any changes to your name, and after you made the changes, you can tap on save. And just like that, you have changed display name on Spotify.